Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. In 2019, I covered a case with Keneisha Keshan Brown, a popular dancehall figure in the local music space, and she had a number of collaboration and one which featured the dancehall incarcerated star Vybz Kartel, which was a major hit.
You are my baby, you know you are my done right now. Me no know you are plan. Anything right now. Me want make love to a cartel song. If you want come home with me, you can. Yes, me baby, you have to be me man. Alright, squeeze me tight and don't let go.
Fast forward to the year 2021, December to be exact, and the boyfriend is now charged with the 2019 murder of popular dancehall entertainer Keneisha Keshan Brown. You don't want to miss this coming up next on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune with our latest report. If it's the first time you're watching as well, please subscribe to our WhatsApp group and also become a part of the Links 007 TV family. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. It took authorities over 2 years to actually lay charges against the boyfriend of Keneisha Keshan Brown, Popular dancehall entertainer in the music space whose life was viciously snuffed out, and the family right now is actually breathing some sigh of relief after the announcement was made earlier this week that the boyfriend is now to be charged with the 2019 taking out of this female. Keshan, whose real name is Keneisha Brown, was known for songs such as Bubble Your Body and The Goods, which featured incarcerated dancehall star Vybz Kartel. This was described as a tragic loss to the music industry, and Kishan was a very talented girl and she was young and full of much potential. Even though it has been 2 years, my heart still goes out to the family, who I believe is still having a difficult time during this. The producer that would have discovered Kishan, Elvis Redwood, discovered Kishan and signed her to his unique record label. At the time of the incident, the corporate communications unit confirmed the incident but said that the person responsible, who is said to be a licensed firearm holder, was taken to hospital to deal with his injuries after he was allegedly attacked by the now deceased female. So on September the 9th, 2019, family and friends gathered to say their final farewell to the bright and upcoming dancehall superstar, Keneisha Kishon Brown, and the funeral service took place at the Spring Village Seventh-day Adventist Church after hundreds of mourners turned out to pay their final respect to the young, youthful, and loved Keneisha Brown. This incident left the whole entire music fraternity in shock, and as the new revelation came out this week that the boyfriend was actually charged in relation to the crime committed, at the time of the incident, it was also discovered that the upcoming dancehall superstar was actually pregnant at the time her life was taken. Now, we here at Links of Love 7 TV just want to once more take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of this young upcoming dancehall superstar. I know it has been 2 years, but I know that the memory still lingers about what transpired on that fateful day that the life of this bright spark was taken out. So the man said to be the ex-strange ex-lover of the late dancehall artist Kishan has been formally charged with her taking out. So, on the 15th of December, investigators arrested and charged 32-year-old Toni Martin with the murder following a questionable death of the upcoming dancehall DJ on July the 20th, 2019. This comes after the Office of Director of Public Prosecution ruled that Martin be charged with the murder after 2 years of them investigating the matter. And this actually was released by detectives at the St. Catherine South Police Division. Martin, otherwise known as Tony, was taken into custody at the 100-man police station in Portmore following a question and answer session with detectives in the presence of his attorney. Investigators will now seek to get the earliest possible court date for the accused to face the magistrate, while it's anticipated that the lawyer will apply for bail. Kishon, born Kishon Keneisha Brown, at birth, was shot to the head during a physical confrontation with Martin, who is said to be a licensed firearm holder. Martin claimed it was self-defense, and the police took 2 years in order to lay charges against this individual. The tragic incident, which occurred in Sharper Lane, Church Pen, sent shockwave throughout the Old Harbour community and the entertainment circle as the then 26-year-old was tipped as a very special talent with a bright future ahead of her after she has been collaborating with a number of hit songs which feature the dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel. A number of people reacted to the news right now, and I can tell you that this DJ and this upcoming dancehall superstar was said to be a bright spark, and her life cut short due to some unforeseen circumstances that transpired on this fateful day. So the individual that was taken into custody is 34 years old, and he was said to be a licensed firearm holder. At the time that Keshan died, she was just 24 years old, and she would have resided in Hibiscus Drive, Marlie Mount, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. And according to the official report from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, about 12:45 a.m., Brown and Martin were at home when a quarrel developed. It is alleged that Brown used a stone, and this would have been Keneisha, used a stone to damage Martin's car, which resulted in a physical confrontation between the two. The accused man is said to have pulled his firearm and fired a single shot, hitting the upcoming dancehall entertainer right in the head. So she was then rushed to hospital by the 34-year-old Toni Martin, who was said to be her boyfriend at the time of the incident. This left the whole entire community of Old Harbour, Hibiscus Drive to be exact, in Marlie Mount, Old Harbour, St. Catherine, in total shock after news spread of this. So she was rushed to the hospital by this individual, and despite the doctor's efforts, she passed away. The accused was taken into custody just off Wednesday of this week, and this would have been the 15th of December, and then he was formally charged for a murder that took place 2 years ago. One cannot even begin to express how the community is feeling right now and the family based on this recent development. And as the family try to put the pieces of their life together, it will never be the same without Keneisha Kishan Brown, as she was the bright spark in the family, and many people within the family were looking up to her for her to become a household name in the Jamaican music space. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this story now, though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell, click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. You can also add us on WhatsApp so you're also notified using that medium of communication as well. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.